Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool TSI. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 Seat Ibiza FR. Now of course this car is finished in the lovely Nevada white. You do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights. You then also get these brilliant 17-inch painted alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition. Around to the rear now, we've got partial LED tail lights. We've then got plenty of space in the tailgate with 60/40 split folding rear seats. Coming back out and around again, just showing you the rear alloy here. Into the back of the car, we've got full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got electric windows all around. Inside the car, we have a 6-speed manual gearbox, which you can see just there. Dual climate control in the front. We then also have your infotainment display in the middle, which comes with your various radio bands. You've got your satellite navigation and your full link, which enables Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. Over to the steering wheel, you've also got track select, voice assistant and audio volume. Over to the right, you've got your onboard computer controls. Cruise control is on the indicator stalk just there. And as you can see, this Ibiza has done 74,012 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Seat Ibiza, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool TSI.